You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombokalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombokalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Resources are invested in protecting and ensuring that the environment is sustained for the benefit of our population. I would like to, we've got a statement that the written statement will be shared at the end of this engagement, but just want to highlight some of the activities that will happen as part of the commemoration this year. This year, the media fraternity seeks to demonstrate the importance of protecting the environment by planting trees, and so journalists would like to lead by example. So there will be some activities that, for instance, the focal point of this tree planting exercise will be in Soroti. There will be regional dialogues in the northern region, in Teso and in Kabarole, in the days leading up to the 3rd of May. And these outcomes will feed into the national dialogue, which will take place on the 3rd of May. There will be a sports gala held in Soroti for all stakeholders through the different sports activities. There will be 2 photo exhibitions that demonstrate the reporting of environmental stories across the country, and this photo exhibition will take place in northern Uganda and in Kampala. I would like to conclude by restating that a sustained media campaign on climate and the environment and in the media across our platforms in the country will be undertaken.
As you might be already aware, the theme for this year is A Press for the Planet: Journalism in the Face of the Environmental Crisis. And I would like to specifically speak in regard to the theme, to say that the theme particularly challenges us to take action to address the environmental challenges that we can't confront in isolation, but rather jointly. That also underscores the important role of the media in championing good environmental practices and policies,